Did you know it takes less than 5 minutes to set up your free myKaplan account? Let's do it together. Navigate to the homepage of kaplanco.com. Click on Create Account. Only certain accounts are eligible for Platinum myKaplan accounts, so make sure to check your eligibility with your local Kaplan sales rep. Fill in your information and you will get access right away to your own myKaplan account. Make an order using the shopping portal by clicking anywhere under the Shop tab. Click on your desired product and add to cart. If you already know what product you want, you can take a shortcut from your myKaplan homepage to the bottom menu under Quick Order. Then you only have to type the product number into this spreadsheet and add to cart. This is great for restocking or ordering items for several different classrooms. Here you can use a wish list or a classroom list. A wish list is a collection of desired products, things you might consider for future lesson plans, or what you would buy with an unlimited budget. A classroom list, on the other hand, is a listing of products created specifically for your classroom space within your budget for your immediate needs. Both lists can be printed out for reference or to share with colleagues. Finally, one of our most popular features is our free floor planner. You can design your individual classroom or even design entire schools. myKaplan accounts are indispensable when you need a smooth personal shopping experience, need to order for several classrooms, or need to populate several schools or centers. Get started with your myKaplan account and begin using Kaplan's free tools for a simpler shopping experience today.